Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make TuoZaafi stew. Yes, this stew is very easy yet delicious and it's so aromatic. Let's get started. So to start, I already steamed my meat, which is some goat meat and some cow foot. I started by adding an onion in my palm oil, fry until it was translucent. Then I'll go ahead to add my chopped up tomato into it. This stew was very quick and easy because I had my all-purpose stew that I had it on this channel. I'm gonna link it down below if you want to check it out. And yeah, it made my life so simple. Thank each and everyone for taking the time to watch my video. I really do appreciate all of you. And I'm gonna go ahead to link up the video for how I prepare the TuoZaafi and the Ayoyo as well, if you want to check that out too. So over here it's been frying for 5 to 10 minutes, and as you can see, the stew has started separating from like the mixture in there. That is when you go ahead to add your fish. Over here I used canned mackerel. You can go ahead to use smoked mackerel, that is fine. You can use smoked turkey as well. So after adding everything, you just start to combine and let it do a thing. This all-purpose stew is very versatile, so you can use it any way that you want. So I've been frying the stew for 3 to 5 minutes. Then I went ahead to add my all-purpose stew in here. And after the all-purpose stew, you're gonna fry it for 5 to 10 minutes again. Then you will incorporate your cooked beef in the stock to it. And don't worry if you wanna I use the green sauce to steam my meat. I'm gonna link that below too if you wanna check that out. You just have to add that green sauce into your beef and seasoning of your choice, and you got it. Over here I'm just letting everything marry itself, and I'll go ahead to add the beef to it and let it marry itself as well. And then we are all ready to eat our deal. This turned out so delicious. Oh my god. And the aponchi meat and all that, my goodness gracious, it was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to your girl, and until my next one, stay safe and see you in my next one. Bye.